Well, this year we're not using our coal frames because we have our duct taped greenhouse. But look, this is the real star of the show today. The last video I shot was all corrupted and stuff. And this mom and her babies, she is the most violent chicken I've ever raised. Worse than any rooster. And she'll protect these kids like mad. And they are super cute. Now, if anyone here knows Eli D'Souza, he raised this mama chicken and hatched it himself and bred it. And these are his babies from his... So she was part of a senior project. And last year's senior project. And here they go. And Mom doesn't quite know what to do. There's Crystal. Crystal's sitting on eggs over there, but she needs a man. If you know any eligible peacocks, post something on YouTube. See if we can get Mom to attack the camera. It'll be like Steve Irwin. He's the most dangerous chicken in the world. I'll probably flinch too, because it's scary when it happens. Lucy, no. Oh, stop it. See? She just attacked the dog. When mums attack. Well, we'll see how that one came out. Look, I think Lucy, look at Lucy. She's horrified. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. And off goes Mom's. The big thing is we got to keep her in at night, because we have minks out here now. Right, Crystal? Let's see how friendly Crystal's being today. Stop bothering the moms. Crystal's been letting me pet her, but I think the camera's got her freaked. The vicious-eyed touch. Anyways, sorry for being away for so long with these LC dailies. We made like 4 or 5 of them, and the machine's not infallible. It's wicked cute though.